Hey y'all, it's that time you guys been waiting for. Our human hair crochet course is finally up and it's going for 50% off. Not only that, but we decided to include our crochet methodology course, Alopecia course, using the Weave Buddy. Okay, all of it is going for 50% off. You can even get a bundle deal. Alright, you'll have access to purchase our custom latch hook. You'll learn our various braiding foundations. And you'll be able to increase your revenue doing these exclusive high-end crochet techniques. Don't miss out on this exclusive Cyber Monday sale. Everything 50% off.